Howdy, folks. It's Handsome, and today we got a fan favorite again. Can't get enough of it. Before we get into that, go check out my shop for some tools. This one is funny for sure. That's why. His dad brought in this camera for like his 13-year-old kid. And the screen doesn't work anymore, is what he said. Yeah. Pretty obvious. Now, I do get these in a lot, and they usually act like it's freaking out that there's no connection through the flex, but it's still on there. So we are going to try this out, test it out, and see what's going on. I swear I just had the part. Got him. Yeah, hope everybody's doing well, staying focused, staying positive. This should be a quick, easy one, hopefully. Should be, maybe. Be careful when you open the bag. Man, I may have bought this on eBay. Yeah, that's not how Canon packages it. We're going to be replacing that. Should be a lot of fun. Not really. Doing a great job. Perfect placement. Now, there are two screws that connect that hinge on the inside. Oh, they lost those two screws to hold. All right, so we're going to have to go in the junkyard to find those. There go those two screws. Undo this latch. We're going to set that to the side, and we're going to start operating. Try to keep that adhesive on there for the new flex cable. A little bit is good. I'm going to reverse stick you right there. Okay. Before we do that, definitely gotta do this. Pay attention how everything is set up. See how that goes right there? Goes in. Boom. Through there. We're going to be sitting like this. Go ahead and lift that off. I need to test this dying. You're going in like that. Yeah. All right. Okay. We're working. Cannot record, I understand. Now let's see if you can turn off. Holy mackerel. So far, so good. Touchscreen working. Sweet. All right. All right, we're there. Tight. Don't advise that, but that's all you got. I'm talking just baby dabs. Fold that back. Give this a little wipe. Insert. It's my last flex cable. Double checking. All right. Now, since the motto is no screw left behind, G7X Mark II. That's my 3. All right. Here's one box of the junkyard. Let's see what screws. Those are Sony screws. It's crazy. I can tell just by looking. Let's see. Some screws in there. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, there's C1. Book up. Junkyard saves again. All right, so that was a LCD flex cable replacement on the G7X Mark II. Just so I don't get any of those comments, I didn't test it. Nothing. We're good. Till next time, don't break nothing. Peace. I wrote